We're going to start a dip by going and getting some bacon going in our cast iron skillet because we're going to use this base for our cream cheese. Let's get this bacon cooked down nice and delicious and make some bacon bits out of it. Once that's done, we're going to get them flipped over and get both sides done to your liking of choice. I like my bacon really well done. From there, I'm going to take them out, set them on a paper towel, let that grease get off of there so I can break them up into pieces. From there, I'm going to put that bacon grease on my cream cheese and get it all over the sides so that our rub will stick really, really nicely to it. Once that's done, I use my favorite rub and I use some Uncle Steve's shake and just covered every single side, top, bottom, and edges with the shake. Use your preferred shake. I like Uncle Steve's. Make sure you get all those sides. Once that's done, put it in your cooled cast iron skillet so that it can go in your smoker at 225 degrees for approximately 2 hours. 2 hours later, let's go ahead and top it off with some pepper jelly from Wickers, Texas. And we're going to put pepper jelly on both of these chunks of cheese. And then on one of them, we're going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit of those bacon bits that we made earlier from the bacon that we fried up. And let's throw them all on there. Now on the other, we're going to throw some brisket, just some chopped brisket with a little bit of sauce in it from a brisket that we made a little earlier in the week. And we're going to close it down and shut it for about 5 more minutes. Line it with some crackers or chips of your choice and dig in.